Yeah, so thanks to consumers and everyone, we are doing very well in the country. We have grown more than 2.4 times in last 3 years, and in next 3 years we want to drive similar growth, and that is the reason that we have introduced very good products. In case of air conditioners, we have the widest range of ACs in the market, and consumers have enjoyed the products in the market this summer season. In case of flat panel televisions, Viera, we have good products like smart televisions. They have unique features like swipe and share, so consumers' life becomes more easy using these kind of products. And we have introduced smartphones, and we are looking at very high growth by rolling out value for money products for the consumers. So that's how we are looking at the market. This year we are looking at a total investment of 400 crores for advertising and promotion, and primary intention is to educate consumer about the advantages of the products which we offer to them. The first product, we have only introduced one product as of now, which is priced at 26,900 MRP. This is a 5-inch HD screen, and it's a latest quad core and Android Jelly Bean 4.2 operating system, which is latest in the world. We have several manufacturing units for air conditioners, washing machines. We have in Jhajjar, Haryana. Then for LCD and LED televisions, we have in Noida. Kitchen appliances we have in Chennai. Battery factories are in Gujarat, and Anchor Electricals is our company. They have several factories across India, so there are many factories. I would share revenues in US dollars. They were 1.3 billion US dollars for last year, and this year we are looking at 1.65 billion US dollars. Close to 20% growth this year, but next 2 years we are looking at very high growth, more than 50% growth year on year, primarily because we are looking at smartphone business to expand the revenues in the country. Market is going through a very, very tough situation at this point of time, mainly because of the economic situation of the country and the uncertainties in consumers' mind whether this is the right time to buy. Inflation is quite high. And secondly, off late, the rupee has depreciated a lot, which has put more pressure on organizations like us to increase prices. So the pocket of consumer is really in a very tough situation. Yeah, we will continue to do that. India is a large market, and even in this kind of tough situation, the GDP has been growing more than 5%. And in an economy like India, a growth of 5% GDP is huge. So we are, of course, it's a tough situation, but we are very positive about it. So we'll continue to roll out products the way we have planned originally. We are not exporting at this point of time. The factories which we have installed recently will service only the Indian market, but in future we will look at exports to Middle East and Africa. So as I mentioned, this year we are looking at 1.65 billion US dollar revenues, and this will be primarily driven by 3 categories: air conditioners, televisions and smartphones. Thanks a lot.